What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to talk about Beautiful AI. Beautiful AI is a presentation software that uses AI to help users create visually appealing presentations. It offers smart templates, automates slide formatting, and adapts slides as content is added. The software also ensures brand consistency and allows for remote collaboration. In this video, we are going to guide you on how to create a presentation in Beautiful AI. So, let's start. To start with your presentation, hover your mouse to create presentation. And here you will have several options. You have blank presentation, generate with AI, from theme template, from starter template, and import PPT. Now for this one, let's go with generate with AI. So here you can type the title or a topic of presentation in the provided text box. So for example, here I am going to type water cycle and click on generate presentation. Beautiful AI is going to gather data and create your slides for you automatically. So this is going to take a few minutes depending on your topic. So here we can see that all the slides are generated. Once everything is complete, it is going to open your presentation in edit mode. In this window, you can edit the elements in your slide. So say for example, we want to change this picture. So you can click on this picture and click on the camera icon and click on replace image. Now it is going to take you to stock images. So here you can search for a keyword. Say for example, we can type water. And it is going to give you results of photos or images that has water with it. Now let's choose a picture to replace it with. Let's choose, for example, this one. Let's click on it and it will be automatically added to our slide. You can also change the view of your slides from single slide to multiple slides by clicking on this icon right here. So it is going to show you the overview of your slides, and here we can see that we have 13 slides. So let's click on this one again and it will take us back to a single slide view. To change to the next slide, you can press the arrow key on your keyboard and it is going to take you to the next slide. So here you can also edit the elements from here. For example, if you want to change the title here, you can click on this text and you can edit the text. So for example, we can add some words here like so. Now there is no need for you to manually save this because this is going to be saved automatically. So you can go through all your slides and edit them if needed. Now when you're done editing your slides, you can preview it by clicking on this play button right here. You can move the slides by clicking on the arrow keys on your keyboard. And when you're happy with it, you can press on the escape button and it will take you back to your editing page. So once you're done editing and everything looks good for you, all you have to do is click on the share icon right here. You can share this by copying a link and send it to your contacts, or you can also click on more sharing options and you will have the option to export or download your presentation. So you will have an option to download your presentation, or you can also print your presentation. If you choose to export your presentation, you will also have several options. So you can download it as an editable PowerPoint. You can also download it as Google Slides, PDF, and in other format. So there you have it, guys. This is how you can create your presentation using Beautiful AI. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.